Say hello to hair's new best friend, claw clips. My name is Vivian Phillips, and I'm a beauty expert here at JCPenney. It's our goal to give you a look not just at what's trending, but what's actually going to work best for your vibe and preferences. Today, we're covering our favorite and some of the easiest claw clip hairstyles out there. These classic accessories have made a comeback in a major way and are all over social media and the runway. When you think of claw clips, you might usually think of messy buns and casual looks, but they can also be used to create elegant and sophisticated styles that you can wear to formal events or that big meeting with your boss. The best thing about claw clips is that they can work for all different hair types and lengths. From short pixie cuts to long, thick locks, there's a claw clip hairstyle that can work for you. Our goal is to help you find a claw clip style that works with your individual hair type as well as your personal style. We'll show you some that are simple and also a few that are on the more complex side. So you'll have a large range to see what suits you best. So get ready to put your hair ties back in the drawer and learn just how versatile a claw clip can be. Let's be honest, some days our hair just doesn't want to cooperate with our plans. Maybe you didn't get a chance to wash it, or maybe it just refuses to do as you tell it. That's where our trusty claw clips come in. They're the perfect fix for the days you might find yourself short on time or energy. Plus, you don't need any special skills or tools to make it happen. All you need is a claw clip, a bit of creativity, and a few good tips. All right, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. I already mentioned that claw clips have come a long way, and that means they're all different kinds that can meet your hair's needs in different ways. There's always a classic claw clip, which is great for everyday use, but there are also jaw clips that have additional stylish elements that give a fancier look. These come in all sorts of shapes and colors and can be a fun way to add a little pop of personality to your hair. And never underestimate mini claw clips. These little guys are perfect for holding small sections of hair or creating subtle updos. They're also great for styling hair of all different textures to create an ideal look. If you're looking for something with a little more grip, or you need something to hold up thicker hair, I recommend a jumbo claw clip. These bad boys have a larger size and stronger hold, making them perfect for thicker hair types. They're also great for creating updos that have more volume, like messy buns or half-up hairstyles. Now I want to talk about some of the trending and more beginner-friendly hairdos we can achieve with a claw clip. The first one is a classic, and as far as I can tell, will never go out of style. And that, of course, is a messy bun. It's easy and looks effortless. All you have to do is gather your hair into a ponytail and twist it around into a bun, then secure it in place with a claw clip. To make it look more casual or to give it a looser vibe, leave a few tendrils out to frame your face. Don't worry about it being too neat or perfect. The messier, the better. Another simple option is a half up, half down look. Start by sectioning off the top portion of your hair and securing it in a claw clip at the crown of your head. This will give you some volume and a subtle lift. You can leave the rest of your hair down, or you can create a simple ponytail or braid with it. The last easy one we have is the timeless low ponytail. This is perfect for anyone with long hair or anyone who wants a more sleek and polished look. Simply gather your hair at the nape of your neck and secure it with a claw clip. To make it look more polished, use a straightener to smooth any flyaways and feel free to add hairspray or gel to get a better hold. Remember, these are just a few beginner-friendly hairdos you can achieve with a claw clip. Don't be afraid to get creative and try out different styles. Claw clips can be used to create intricate updos or simple and effortless hairstyles. In addition to different hair types and textures, there are also different styles of claw clips that work better for certain hair types. For example, if you have fine hair, a jaw clip with teeth will give you a better hold than a simple claw clip. Or if you have thick hair, a larger claw clip with a stronger spring will ensure your hair stays put. The beauty of claw clips is that they are versatile and easy to use, making them perfect for both beginners and experts. Okay, now that we know some of the best hairstyles for our hair types, let's take a look at a few of the best clips to use. First, we have the Arizona Glitter Claw Hair Clip. I think this is a perfect choice for someone who wants a playful, colorful option to give a little pop of color to the hair. The larger size of the clips makes them ideal for those with thicker or longer hair. For those who prefer a more subtle look, Arizona also offers a softer pink and gray option that's perfect for everyday wear. The A&A Brown and Ivory Glossy Claw Clip is another classy option that's perfect for anyone who wants a more sophisticated and polished look that is sure to go well with almost any outfit. Again, this is one of those larger clips that any of you guys with thicker or longer hair are going to want to pick up. I also wanted to highlight an eco-friendly option. The Kitsch Claw Clips are made from recycled plastic and feature a unique dome shape that's perfect for creating volume and texture in the hair. So this is definitely a win-win. No matter your hair type or style preference, JCPenney has a claw clip that will work for you. Don't be afraid to try out different types and designs to find the perfect one for your hair. In addition to a great claw clip, there are plenty of other products to add to your claw clip looks to take them to the next level. You don't need a lot of products, but incorporating a few key ones into your routine can take it the extra mile and help your look last through the day. First up, a great texturizing product is key to adding some grit and hold to your hair, and it can help you get a little extra volume. I like the Kenra Texturizing Taffy Hair Paste, which will give softer, looser hair types a more edgy, tousled look that's perfect for claw clip styles. Next, a high-quality hairspray is a must-have for keeping any hairstyle in place all day long. You'll want to find a hairspray that has a strong hold without being sticky or heavy, which is why I recommend Sexy Hair Spray and Play Medium Hold Hairspray. It adds volume and shine to your hair while keeping it in place all day long. Plus, it's humidity resistant to keep frizz at bay, which is always a plus. Another must-have, especially for anyone with curly hair, is a good hair oil. This Bomba Curls Forbidden Hair Oil has a restoring formula that reduces frizz, split ends, and breakage while enhancing hair health and luster. I also love this company because 90% of their brands are created by BIPOC founders who create products for people of all colors. With these products in your arsenal, you'll be able to create endless claw clip hairstyles that will last all day long. And I think that's a wrap on claw clips. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Whether you opt for bright pops of color or you're aiming for a more classic look, claw clips are the perfect go-to for lazy days, quick fixes, and even sophisticated styles. If you still have questions or want someone to help you find the right products or styles to pair with your hair type, we want to help. Come into any JCPenney Beauty and our beauty experts will help you find the right stuff for your hair and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney. And be sure to ring the bell so you can get the best beauty information right as it comes. We'd also love to hear about your favorite claw clip hairstyles, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.